everyone, welcome back to another haul video. I am Vanshika, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be very interesting. I am doing a Nykaa haul plus a PR unboxing kind of a video because lately I have been getting a lot of PR packages and I wanted to show it to you guys. So let's get started. I have here the package from Nykaa, this huge package from Nykaa, and also some other apps like Synth, and also I have gotten a really nice eyeshadow palette which I want to show it to you guys, and I use that to create this eye look as well. So let's get started. So for the first, I will be opening the Nykaa box and let's see what's inside. It's full of goodies, as you can see. So starting off with Nykaa products, and also I would be telling you my review about these products because I have started using them and some of them are really nice. So first I got these Nykaa Skin Secrets sheet masks, which are very popular, and I got them in 10 different variants. As you can see, I have all the variants with me right here. So they come in very different variants for different skin troubles if you have any, and sheet masking is a great way to take in all the essence of any product and make your skin look really nice over the time. So I have one with collagen. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a paper kind of packaging, very small, and the product is 20 ml. This says collagen plus grapefruit sheet mask. So I have used one of these. I got 10 and these are 9. The one I used is from Green Tea because I love refreshing sheet mask, and it was so good. It fits onto my skin so perfectly and also hydrates my skin from within. I felt that the sheet was really soft on the skin, but a disclaimer that Nykaa sheet masks dry up really fast, so you cannot put them more than 15 minutes I think, because it dry out really quickly, and if you are sitting in a fan then do not. So I have this one from Collagen and Grapefruit. This is best for anti-aging collagen. So next one is this very cute packaging. This one is peptides and goji berry. So this one is for firming the skin. If you have loosened skin, then you can firm from this. Then again I have lavender. This is so good. I have used this before and the smell is amazing. It is honey plus lavender. This is used for glowing skin. If you have dull skin, then go for this one. Then I have the apricot one. This is for youthful skin, again for dull and dry skin. This is how the packaging looks like. Lemon is a great ingredient to brighten up your skin, and if you're using products with vitamin C, then you also need to use this lemon and honey mask for lightening skin. Then I have gooseberries and papaya. This is for nourishment and brightening. So as you can see, they have every sheet mask for every skin trouble, and they comes in so many variants. So also Nykaa is running an offer that has 5+5. If you buy 5 sheet masks, you get 5 free. That is how I got 10 of these, and these are so cheap, like 40 or 50 rupees each. So worth the money. This one is rose. This is for radiant skin. As you know that rose water is also used for glowing and radiant skin. So this is rose one. Then I have rice. Rice is for radiant skin. This is how the packaging looks like. It smells amazing. It is easy to use, and as you can see, the packaging is very decent and minimalistic, which I really like. And the last one I have is rice water, which is for toned and firm skin. This is how the packaging looks like. So I'm really excited to try each and every one of these, and I really like them. And if you want to buy these from Nykaa, then you can get them on offer. They run this offer quite a lot in 1 year. So next up in the box, let's see this. I have Nykaa eyelashes. For the first time I got eyelashes, and this one is Lash Talk OTT Drama. At the back, this is how the packaging looks like. Front packaging is really cute, and this retails for 199 rupees, but I got it on a discount. I think it's for 150 around. And this is how the lashes look like, really sturdy, good quality. It comes with a glue. Actually my glue was dry, so I cut it down, but I try to use this. These are really nice if you want like nice lashes. They have like 10 different variants in lashes as well. So next product that I want to show you guys is this Gatsby hairspray. This is very cheap. It's like for 199 and the quantity is really good. It comes in 200 ml plus 50 ml extra. Some offer is going on. This is set and keep spray, like extreme hold. If you want like any kind of hairstyle and if you're going for any function, then you can try this out. The application is also very like easy, very easy. You just need to, and it gives instant shine. If you can see, it gives an instant shine and makes your hair really silky and holds the hairstyle for a very long period of time. So this is one product that I purchased for the first time, a hairspray. I never used it before, but I really like this one. So I have three different small things to show you guys in this haul, and the first one is a eyebrow pencil, and this one is from Etude House, and this is the drawing eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade gray, I guess, because gray suits me. I don't like brown eyebrow pencils because it is visible quite a lot. So this comes with a application like this, very creamy, glides onto your eyebrows really quickly and fills them perfectly. And it also comes with a spoolie in the other end, which is really great to like, you know, prep your brows before you fill in them. So I really like this because it comes with a spoolie. This is for 250 rupees and I think it's totally worth the money. The second product that I want to show is this Nykaa Jet Inked eyeliner. I have used this right now. It is so precise and easy to use, like amazing quality, and I really like this one. If you can see, the application is sketch type, and can you see the pigmentation is also really nice. So if you are on a budget, then you can buy this eyeliner. This retails for 350 rupees. Again I have something from Nykaa, I have something from Nykaa itself. I got their blending brush. This is how it looks like. It comes in outer packaging. It comes in an outer packaging like this, really good packaging, and this is how the blending brush looks like. I have already used this quite a lot and it blends the eyeshadow perfectly, and this retails for 200 or 250 rupees. Again, really nice product. So next up that I want to show you guys is the eyeshadow palette which I received from YLSX store from Instagram. This is a store on Instagram. They also do cash on delivery, and you can just check out their page. They have some amazing makeup at very reasonable prices. I got this eyeshadow palette. It has around, this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It has all the colors ranging from nudes to bright and also shimmery, and they are so pigmented. As you can see, I think these are 68 colors. I hope you can properly see, and this retails for only 899 rupees, and you can get the other variant at 1299, and this is totally worth the money. The pigmentation is so good. I have used this to create this eye look, and it has all colors like shimmer, nude, bright, everything that you need for any kind of makeup. So I would highly recommend you buy this one. I really love it. Just look at the packaging, so nice, so good, and it has a like magnetic closing which keeps it really safe. So next up I have some hair care products which I got from Wow Skin Science. I think every one of you must have heard of them. They are all over Instagram, and they sent me the proper hair care routine. So they sent me one apple cider vinegar shampoo. I have a coconut avocado conditioner, 10-in-1 miracle oil. This is a hair oil. Packaging is so luxurious and it's so budget friendly. And also they sent me a hair mask which I'm really excited to use. You can see a detailed review about these 4 products in my video. I will link it somewhere here or here. Then do check it out if you're interested. They are really budget friendly and really cool products. Then I have some of mini travel mini products which I received from this brand. They sell travel minis at very reasonable price, and also you can get those for free if you like sign up on the app. You get 6 trial points which you can use to buy these products. So they have sent me some of their amazing brand products like these travel minis, and this particular app has very popular brands on it, so it is very reliable. So first up I have Mama Earth, two products from Mama Earth. I have one apple cider vinegar face moisturizer which is oil free, and the other one is sun protection ultra light Indian sunscreen. It says Indian sunscreen, so basically it's made for our skin tone and like people of our type. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, and I have not opened it yet, but I have already used Mama Earth products and they are really high quality and show results instantly. This is so cute. I will be taking this for trips, and if you want to buy, like, this can come for free if you sign up on this app, then you can get this for free. I really like this one. And this, I have already completed 2 bottles of these, the oil free moisturizer. It is really good for people who have oily T-zone, or someone who has acne prone skin. Then this will help to reduce your acne and pimples. Surely try these out. Then the other I have is Raw Nature. So this is Raw Nature's moisturizer. It has caramel and sandalwood, natural and vegan, 100% vegan product, and it says 30 gram of product. Long lasting hydration, non greasy for all skin type. Let me check the smell. It smells so natural, so natural. I really like the packaging. This is so travel friendly. I will take this on trip for sure. If you are a person who's looking for vegan products or cruelty free, then you can go for these brands. These are all organic and these are made in India, so go for it. And next up I have Plum Ka green tea pore cleansing face wash. This is how the packaging looks like. It is for 20 gram, I think, and really cute packaging. Plum is also a really great brand. If you have acne skin, then do check their products out. They have different ranges, one in green tea, one in apricot, and they also have one for vitamin C. I think they are launching soon, so do check that out. And the last but not the least, I have vanilla vitamin E face cream. Vitamin E is really good for people who have dull or dry skin, so this helps to boost the effect of hydration and also keeps your skin really healthy. And this one is from shea butter, like it has shea butter in it and vanilla. So let's smell if it, look at the color. It totally feels like you're applying butter on your skin. It smells amazing. It has vanilla in it and amazing. This is from the Nature's Co, and this is a full size product. This is not a trial product. It is for 50 gram and this retails for 800 rupees. If you want to buy amazing face cream, if you have dry skin, then go for it. It is a little bit thick on your skin. So guys, this was it. This was my unboxing and Nykaa haul with you guys. If you want to buy products at sale, then do check out Nykaa. They have some great offers coming up, and also this new app which I found recently. They sent me the products and I was really happy with the travel minis. Then do check that out. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will make a part 2 of this because I receive a lot of PRs, and I want to show you guys everything what I receive and what is my review about these products. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.